What's going on, guys? This is my 2018 340i xDrive. It's completely stock right now, besides this little carbon fiber spoiler that I recently installed. And today I'm gonna go on a drive. I'm gonna go drive on some twisty roads, do a bunch of acceleration, a bunch of launches, and I just want to get as much stock footage as I can of the car to kind of use it as a reference as I start modifying it. I want to do a lot of before and after footage, and what you're about to see today is going to be all the before footage. Before the tune, before the exhaust, before wheels, before lowering, before anything like that. And before all the problems, I guess. But looks really good in white, even though it's annoying to keep clean compared to my last one, which was gray. Okay, I'm gonna start with some launches here, and as you can see, the ground is wet. It was raining earlier, still kind of is. So I took my last car here to do some 0 to 60 runs, which was the rear wheel drive stage 2 335i. And I couldn't hook up. It just spun the tires, and I got horrible 0 to 60 times, but we'll see how the xDrive does. Alright guys, it's a new day, and as you can see, it's not raining this time. I am next to a noisy highway though, but whatever. So what you just saw was my second ever attempt at a 0 to 60 run with this car using the draggy device, and I got 4.52 seconds on a wet road. It was raining. My last car would not have done that in the rain, so I'm very impressed with the xDrive so far. This car is, once again, I'm going to mention, it is completely stock. I haven't tuned it, I haven't done anything to it yet. And I'm getting 4.5 seconds 0 to 60 times, basically just flooring it in automatic mode. But now I have a winding road ahead of me, which I used to take my 335i to, and I'm gonna go on a drive and see how well it does here. I have a feeling I will be less impressed around the twisty roads than I was just launching it in a straight line. Okay, let's see how it does here. I expect a lot of understeer, and I expect that the brakes are going to be less than impressive. Quick acceleration. Man, the B58 is strong. Yeah, I definitely hear what sounds like some fake engine noise. Alright, it's coming into this corner. There's a lot of body roll, but actually, no, it takes the corner pretty well. Not much understeer there. Of course, I'm stuck behind a car, not driving really fast. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate. This is the most annoying part about trying to go for a nice drive on the back roads. So you always get stuck behind people. Alright, I'm going downhill now. Actually not understeering as bad as I was expecting it to. There is a lot of body roll, but I think eventually I'm gonna try to add some coilovers, do something with the suspension to improve the body roll. I am also gonna put my strut bar back on. A lot of people were commenting on my strut bar video that I put out a little over a year ago that it doesn't actually do anything that's going to damage my car, but it didn't damage my 335i, and I did feel a difference. The brakes, they're just not good enough. If anyone has brake upgrade recommendations, ideally something that isn't too crazy expensive but is going to be a lot better than these stock non-M performance brakes. I think the M performance version was fine, but this car doesn't even have those. Okay, attempt number 2. Hopefully I don't keep getting stuck behind slow cars. I can actually kind of hear some burbles when I drive, and they don't sound very good with the stock exhaust. This isn't even an M Performance exhaust. Alright, let's see how it does this corner. No understeer. Ooh, not enough braking power though. Okay, no slow cars please. Such a smooth engine. I like my N55, but I'm happy with the switch so far. This is nice. If any of you guys have, I don't know, N20, N26, N55, whatever powered car, and you're thinking of switching to B58, I recommend it. It's really nice. No surprise here, but going downhill, it really needs a brake upgrade. I took my 335 on these roads. I have a video, I'll link it, where I drove on this exact road, and I didn't have any issues with the brakes on that one. That one did have the M Performance brakes, which were very nice, and I missed them so much. But I couldn't be picky when I was car shopping. God, that's fast. I mean, I am going downhill, but still. Yeah, I couldn't be picky when I was car shopping because it's hard to find the 340 with a track handling package. All the ones that I found sold out, and I just got it. I didn't want to wait anymore. I went like 2 months without having a car at all, which sucked, especially for making videos, but even just for getting around. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video where I kind of tested out what the car was like stock. Amazing in a straight line, amazing off the line. The xDrive is solid for launching. Didn't matter that I didn't have the best tires, didn't matter that it was raining, even a little bit of like some pebbles or gravel on the road. None of that made a difference. I still got 4.5 seconds on my second launch attempt ever with this car. And then on the twisty roads, had a lot of body roll, way less understeer than I was expecting, and I need a brake upgrade, like I've mentioned already a bunch of times in this video. But thank you guys for watching. I already ordered a bunch of parts for this car, and I have a lot more videos with it planned. I will be tuning it very soon.